All right, so you go to Thailand and you finally met someone. You want to get to know more about their family and the culture of Thailand. Even you get deep dive down into the Thai cultures and you want to learn more. The basic of Thai language that we been teaching is pronouns, and sometimes it can get confusing. Some people say, can I use chan as a male or pom as a male? Chan as a female. Chan can be used for male and female. But, a lot of people get confused between these two words. Well, today I'm going to open that can of worm. The can of worm that I don't really want to open because it's so confusing. But since you guys want to learn more, and you are asking for it, and today is the day. Let's go. First one, the word paw. Paw means father. If you want to be polite, you can use the word kun paw. Kun paw means, the father figure. Your dad, your daddy, your papa, pops. You know what I'm saying? And next one is meh. Meh. These words means mother, mom, mommy. Okay? So meh means mom. Nong. Nong means can be younger brother or younger sister. Whoever is younger. It can be anyone that's younger than you. You can call them nong. Like a waiter or waitress. You can call them nong. But if they're older than you call them pi. Pi means older. Big brother, big sister. Whoever is older than you. If you met someone in Thailand and you go and see their family and you see someone is older than you can call them P. You can call anyone P, even though if they are the same age as you, but you want to give them a real respect. So Thai people like that. But I wouldn't go around calling stranger Nong if they're older than you or at actually the same age. They might not like that. Lung. Lung means uncle. Just say your dad is 60. Lung would be 65 and up. Okay? Lung or 80 or 90 or whatever. Lung. Older than your dad. If you see an elder, you can call him lung. And only use for male. You don't call a female lung. That would be weird. Now, next one is for female. Older than your mom. Pa. Pa. We call them pa or kun pa, kun lung, kun pa. You can put kun in all of this stuff, okay? So I'm just gonna skip the kun because it's just like repetitive. Pa mean aunt, auntie. Anyone is like, much older and a female, you can call them pa. They like that. But if they're not that old and you call them pa, they might get a little offended. That's what I mean when I don't want to open a can of worm because you can get very confusing. And if you use a wrong word, people can get really upset. If you need to use it right. Okay? Next one is a female that's younger than your mom. You can call na. Na means auntie as well. Mean auntie, but younger than your mom or your dad. If you're 30 years old and your dad is 60, okay, and this lady, she's younger than your dad or your mom, you can call them na. Are you following so far? Na can be in female or can be a male. Na chai, na sao, na, okay, female or male, don't matter. Na. As long as they are younger than your mom or your dad. Now, means someone that is a male that's younger than your dad. It means uncle as well. Your dad's younger brother. Next one. Grandfather. Bo. Bo. Bo means grandfather for male. Bo. Okay, so you visit your friend in Thailand and you see like really old elderly guy and just sitting there. He is like 100 years old. You're like, boo. Next one is grandmother. Ya. Ya means grandmother. Next one is grandchildren's. Lan. Lan mean little kids, just running around. Rugrats. Lan. You know, grandkids, just running around, just picking bookers and eating. You know, that's a general term. Lan lan. Lan lan means just little kids, little children. But those lan can be older as well, you know, in a family. Because my nephews are in the 40s now. But I still call them lan. Pi liang means nanny. In Thailand, they usually have a nanny that, raise you. A person that's all they do. They just take care of the kid. It's not really a common word, but people don't really use it. Okay, next one is look. Look. Or look. Means kids, child, children's, you know. Someone's own child. Look. Mean your kid. ลูกคุณ or his kid, you know, her kid, your kid is ลูกผม or ลูกฉัน okay ลูก means my kid ครอบครัว that's a hard word to say ครอบครัว or you can say ครอบครัว means family, you know, your family, my family is ครอบครัว พี่ชาย is older brother, พี่ชาย and older sister is พี่สาว น้องชาย means younger brother, น้องชาย น้อง means a younger, ชาย means male, identifying as a male, น้องชาย or น้องสาว means younger sister, น้องสาว but if you don't want to identify the gender, you can just use the word น้อง. It's just cover everyone, you know, male and female. So น้อง. All right, next one is relative, including bad and the good ones. ญาติ you can say twice. I don't know why they like to say it twice, but it means the same thing. ญาติ or ญาติ. You're going to find out real quick that the Thai people, they like to repeat the words a couple of times. Any relative, distance or close, don't matter. It's ญาติ พี่น้อง that's brother and sister, basically together as one word. พี่น้อง means siblings. Grandchildren's ลูกหลาน means grandchildren's. All right, just a bunch of kids running around, running them up. ทวด that's a weird word. ทวด means the ancestor, older than the grandfather. If it's a male figure, it'll be ปู่ทวด means a male ancestor. ย่าทวด means a female figure, but an ancestor as well. If they're still alive, you can call them ปู่ทวด. Means they're like 200 years old, sitting there, you know, drinking whiskey or something. That's how I would be. ปู่ทวด. Or a female would be ย่าทวด. Next one is husband. สามี means husband. And next one is wife. Is ภรรยา. I can say ภรรยาคุณ means your wife. ภรรยาผม my wife. ภรรยาเขา their wife. Okay, next one is สะใภ้. สะใภ้ means in-laws, daughter-in-laws. ลูกสะใภ้ ลูกเขย mean son-in-law. Okay, ลูกเขย son-in-law. You know what I mean? This is like very confusing. And I don't know if you really need to know all of this, but if you thinking about, visiting someone in Thailand and going to spend some time in their family, so you want to address them correctly, you can use all of this. And they'll be impressed because not a lot of people know about this stuff. We use all the time. it's like a second nature, but to you guys it's totally new, and it's weird. You can address them correctly so they don't get upset, because a lot of time in Thailand when you address them incorrectly, they get real tense. Okay, so I know it's confusing. Go back and rewatch it, write them down, and if you have any questions or requests or whatnot, just leave it in a comment. I'll try to answer your questions. All right. So if you like this kind of content, my name is Bodo, and I will see you next time. Peace.